This is a 2017 Hyundai Accent. I want to change this headlight bulb. I took this little cover off. It's buried down in here. I watched a video that said just take this off and you have plenty of room, but this is still in the way. I think I'm going to have to pull this whole stupid headlight assembly out of here. Luckily, mine is broken. Make it harder yet, because I got them screws in there instead of a clips. I think we're going to pop this whole thing off. And just pull the light assembly out maybe. Because I don't see how you get your hand down in here. I can't even get my hand down in there even if I move this. It ain't going to do anything. That's nuts. So a normal car, this just has a clip that holds it. And then if this here just pops up, pull that out of the way. Well, that'll measure. And this should start pulling apart. Take this off, I believe. I got this off. Let's get to work. We got that one out. We got that one out. Currently taking this one out. You know, one hidden down here. This here just pops right up out of here. And here's another one. Ah, the sucker's in there tight. And that leaves one more hidden down in here. One's out. One more hidden one right there. Once he's out. Sorry about that. Dropped you, buddy. Now she's out in the open where I can actually see what I'm doing and try to get the sucker changed. This clip is the hardest thing to do because this clip has to be pushed in and around here to get this stupid bulb out. That's the hardest part about this thing. But now it's out in the open where I can actually see it. So unplug this sucker. Now I just undo this clip. Just push and move it over. Push it over. Can't record and do it at the same time, unfortunately. Important part, do not touch with glass with your fingers. Big no-no. Well, we got it out. We're going to put this one back in. Anyway, if it's out in the open, this just pops right over it. Just whoop, just push it down. It hooks right in there. So, with this sucker out in the open, it takes a lot of the aggravation out of her, that's for sure. Put my plug back in. Get the power plug plugged back in that we unplugged to get the whole thing out. Plug this in. Well, it's an important part. Make sure it works before you reassemble that. For sure. Now, as I said, got that one in. We're gonna put this one in. Just redoing everything that you undone. So at this point, all of the bolts that hold this in are back in together. Now you gotta get the bumper cover and the trim set back up. And that just pounds in with your hand. This will snap back in. So see how it just snapped back in there. Easier if you got a cameraman. I don't. These go, back in the holes. It's right now we're down to screwing these in, put this in, and regretting using this for a cup holder because now this is back in and the stupid thing ain't on here. Oh man. Luckily, I got that back in there. So don't be a dummy like me and use that for a bolt hole thing. Oh my gosh, that is what a nightmare that was. Right in. So we are thoroughly down to just tightening these. This whole process, believe it or not, you won't believe it, but I paused it during it. But this whole process took me roughly 20 minutes. I have fought with it trying to get it out through the other way a lot longer than that in the past. I saw a video where he said take this and push this sideways, but it still doesn't give you enough room there. So last resort, if you are desperate, you need your light bulb changed to get to work, if Trying to go through there isn't working for you. Here you go. Just disassemble the son of a gun. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below on how I did it all wrong and how you would do it better. Haha. I do try to reply to every comment. Take these up as I talk. But anyways, thanks for watching. Phew. And as always, peace.